Hi there, my name is Swapnil. Welcome to the SocialBoat Demo as on 18th of November 2021. So SocialBoat is a platform that enables fitness creators and professionals to launch fitness challenges and live workouts with their communities and audiences that they already have on social media. This helps them monetize way higher than what they're able to currently do. Let me show you a demo of how they're able to create their private communities on the SocialBoat platform and how do they get started. So creator lands on SocialBoat's platform on a website. The creator signs up. I will be using a demo number for a sample number for the purposes of the demo. So creator signs up with his or her mobile. Get started. Creators who are today creating content on Instagram, on YouTube, on different platforms. I will be using a sample content throughout, sample and stock content throughout. Now, every creator, they've got their Instagram handles, they've got the brand handles, their YouTube channel name, which is essentially a unique handle for them. This is what they add. Now they add a profile image, and on the right side, you'll be able to see throughout that whatever, a preview of every progress that the creator is making. Just to make it super simple for these creators, I will, as I said earlier, I will be using stock images. Now I'm uploading my profile picture. I'll go on next. I will simply add my handles. These handles are shown on the profile, which enables all the clients, all the community members to essentially be connected with them throughout. Now we add a short description over here. I have already written some description. I will add my description over here. You'll be able to see that the description about myself, the brief about myself that I'm essentially putting on my community slash website online is also, I can see a live preview of this happening over here. I can correct some of the, if I want to do something, I'll just move next. Now I add a cover video. My cover video comes on top of my profile. I will choose a plain image at this stage. Now that my image is uploaded, what I'll do is I will go next. Essentially, the profile or the base of my community has been created. Let's just look at how does this look like. So now I'm able to see my story. I'll go to my programs. Essentially, this shows that I have not created any workout programs as of now for my clients. Now there could be a creator who exactly knows what kind of program they want to create and get started, and they can directly click on launch new program and get started. Or the creator does not know, and to help them get a head start, what we do is we allow creators to post some of the challenges as global challenges. So here's a list of some global challenges that other creators have put on SocialBoat. I can join. I can take the common goal of one of these challenges, collaborate, but create my own workout program for my audience and just get started. Here now, I'll just see what all programs are here. Let's say I like the 5,000 active calories challenge. I will click on this. This is Swapnil's challenge. So this specific challenge, as a matter of fact, SocialBoat has created this challenge where we are offering cool rewards to people who are winning. These rewards include a 5-star weekend getaway, fitness kits. These are sponsored by different brands, or could be, a creator could also be creating these rewards by himself or herself. One tree planter for every success. So now I look at this challenge. I look at what this means. I have to burn 5,000 active calories in a period of 7 days. I can see that there are some other creators who've already joined this challenge. I can see Abhishek has joined. I can see Rahul has joined. What I can do is I can also start. I can create a team from here. Because now this is taking me to authentication stage, because I was on somebody else's community and I'm joining that challenge in via somebody else's community. So each community is a private space, hence individual logins. That I have logged in. I will enter my authentication OTP over here. So now what this is doing is it is now copying Swapnil's program to John Doe's essential community, and I can modify the name of the program. I will name it as 5,000 active calories with John Doe using high intensity interval training. Now the description of the event, I can absolutely change that as well. I will obviously not keep the other creators' contact details for my own within my own community. I will change some of the other text as well. I can add a pricing to my workout plan in this community, which my clients can join. This is a 7-day program, so I can essentially keep this price it as however I want to. But for the purposes of the demo, let's just keep this at ₹0. Now I can add. I have the common images of the other creator on this, but I can absolutely add my own media as well. It could be a video that I put up. It could be a photo that I put up. Let's just put one sample image. This shows what kind of exercises I'm going to do in my program. So now my first challenge, my first workout program within my community has been created. Let's just go to the challenge screen over here. So now what you see is you see John Doe's community, you see my community, and you see that my first workout program has been created with the common rewards that the original creator had created. So I've essentially collaborated, but I still have my own workout program over here. So now I can create in this, what we do over here is the left side of the left menu bar has different tabs that show me what all I can do with my community. The top bar over here will have each of my workout programs. Essentially, this is a parallel to different channels within my community. So currently, I only have one channel. I only have one program, which is 5,000 active calories with John Doe using high intensity interval training. Within this community, whoever is a part of this community will have to authenticate. A user will have to authenticate to become a part of this community. And once they're authenticated, I can just engage with my community. I can schedule workouts. I can schedule live workouts with my community. I can share just video based content. Let's just show how creators are able to do this. So now in my community, maybe I want to host a live session every day in the morning for this. Add a time. What this time does is, since my class is now going to be at 8 a.m., what this does is this link and this message goes as a WhatsApp notification to every member of this specific challenge in my community. All these members need to do is when they get this link, they just need to click on the WhatsApp, and they're directly able to join my live Zoom class, which happens every morning at 8 a.m. within the time frame of this challenge. I could also be posting video based tutorials to my community. It could be an on demand course that I create over here. It could be just be a textual or an image based workout recommendation that I'm giving to my community. As I create programs for my community, I also expect to be able to track the progress and to be able to track the progress of my community. That happens. All my users can also reply. All my community members could so they could essentially be replying themselves with a question and a photo of themselves doing an activity, and I could be telling their posture, or they could be live with me in a live session. They could essentially encourage some of my actions. Community members can encourage each other's actions very soon, so you'll be able to see what essentially is happening in my community. We are also this week going to take live the Google Fit and Apple Watch based vitals on the community. So as a coach, John Doe will be able to see every member's Google Fit data, every member's calorie trackers, essentially, which also helps John Doe know what progress are his community members and me as a community making in this larger challenge. So we are able to create leaderboards and all that also over here. So this is the community. Now what I can do is I can obviously, what SocialBoat also offers to a creator is as much flexibility as they want, and and creator can get as creative as they want with what kind of programs, what kind of live sessions, what kind of on-demand programs do they want to create over here. Let's just see what all modifications, what all customizations do we really allow a creator to do. Now a creator can, this is the dashboard where they can do detailed edits. They can do everything from making this a challenge or a live course to adding cohorts in this community, to creating a course goal, to description, to SEO previews and SEO description, site icons, all of that they can customize it to the end. They can also create new events or edit their profile by the same link. But any creator will just go back, as I said. So now it's on the creator's creativity. What all do they really want to get doing in the community? If a creator still wants to collaborate with other creators, they can simply go on the Discover tag, see what all public challenges are created, and just get started from there. That's broadly the scope of what creators today can do on SocialBoat. There's a lot more interesting stuff coming up. Stay tuned. I will now show you an example of how do creators really share this URL externally, and I'll show you an example and how do they really get registrations. So let's take the example over here. If you're seeing my screen, Meeta here is an Instagram creator. She creates content on yoga. She's got around 15,700 followers. She creates good content. She's got pretty good engagement on Instagram. A lot of people keep DMing her. We want to learn. We want to, we also want to start doing yoga. We also want to get started on a journey. In her Instagram bio, she has kept the link of a SocialBoat community page, which is yogwithmeeta.socialboat.live. This opens up her private community where Meeta has created multiple programs: a 2-week yoga challenge, a family demo session, a kids advanced yoga batch, a one-on-one session with her, and a free community as well. So in her community, one can see different kind of programs. She's priced programs as per her. She's defined the size of the program, still kept her links, given description, so on and so forth, added these programs. Um, and what her clients do is when they come on Instagram, when she creates some content reel, something, she just adds that, go and check out the link in my bio. People come if they want to. Out of those 15,000 folks who are her part of her Instagram community, if some of them want to, they simply come and reserve, and they get access to the community behind this event page, which is similar to what we saw on John Doe's program. Similar to, so now if you can see in the free community, Meeta has already been posting a lot of content and been posting videos based tutorials for her community members. You can also see the members over here. So now Meeta having 37 members. Let's just imagine, let's just for a second imagine the monetization avenues possible. At an average customer spend of 2,000 rupees per month in a community with 37 members, Meeta is able to do revenues of 70,000, north of 70,000 every month. And we can well imagine that with an Instagram audience of 15,000 followers, essentially she having 35 members, 40 members, 50 members, or even 100 members in a community is not really a significant challenge for her. That demand she's already solved. Furthermore, she can keep collaborating with other folks in the community and, essentially become a successful fitness entrepreneur. That's the scope of SocialBoat for now. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me on swapnil@socialboat.live. Have a good day.